Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. With just 3 ingredients, let's make a crispy and crunchy evening snack. Into a bowl, add 2 room temperature egg, whisk it, add some butter, add few drops of vanilla essence just for the flavoring. If you don't want, you can skip it. Then add in the main ingredient, that is the cornstarch. Mix it nicely. Once it is well combined, transfer that into a piping bag. Heat some oil in a pan. When the oil reaches the right temperature, start piping out the batter. The consistency of the batter is really important. When you start piping, it should not drip out. You should be able to cut it like this. When the batter dropped into the oil, it will immediately begin to float because our oil is in the proper temperature. Fry till it changes its color to a golden shade and take it out from the oil. You can serve it right away with tea or coffee, or you can just coat it with some powdered sugar to give a sweet taste. It's really crispy and crunchy snack, very easy to prepare. So definitely try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.